Hare Krishna Mataji, sorry for joining in late. I just now came actually. Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Sarvananda Prabhuji,
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
sorry for joining in late. Hare
No
Krishna.
problem.
Mataji, you were saying that you wanted to see the thing for the quiz, no? That is how the quiz can be created using AI.
Yes, Prabha, I sent you the questionnaire already on the group.
No, but actually last week I had created and sent one sample test. Were you able to open it and see? You take the quiz?
No, Prabhu.
Oh, okay, no problem. Hare Krishna Shubha Mataji.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Yeah. So today we will see that how to create the quiz using AI. It is very, very simple actually. I was thinking it will take half an hour, 45 minutes, 1 hour, but it took me only five to 10 minutes. It's very simple. I will do the screen sharing so that you can see how I'm doing it.
Okay.
And if you want, you can follow, you can open a tab in Chrome in your system also and follow side by side.
Okay,
Or you
I'll
can
do that.
just watch. That is the thing. So I'm now sharing my screen. See, basically, 1 second. We come to Grok. We need to come to grok.com, grok.com. This is Elon Musk's, what do you say, AI system, AI platform, right? Like
Yes.
Google has its own platform, Gemini, OpenAI has ChatGPT, and so many other, Meta has its own Meta AI. Like this Elon Musk, the world's richest man, this is super Grok. It's called Grok, basically. So basically, you come here, open a new chat. You log into your account using Gmail, or if you want to create with your Yahoo Mail or any other mail also you can create. But simple ways, log in with the Gmail account and get into this starting page. Here you won't believe the other day I had created. Bhagavad Gita, 20 multiple questions. These are all random questions which the chat itself had done, Grok itself had done. So basically, I'll show you the prompt which I gave. Very, very simple prompt. I said, 1 second. Okay, go back up. Yeah. See, I told the chat, I told this Grok, not ChatGPT, it's Grok actually. I told Grok, for a quiz, give me 20 questions from the Bhagavad Gita with 4 options each as possible answers and 1 correct answer for each. So within 20 seconds, it gave this random 20 questions with the 4 answers, and one of that is correct. Now I told Grok, the second prompt which I gave was, now based on this, design a HTML page with on top a large image of Lord Krishna instructing Arjuna on the battlefield, like a cover image, a top image. Below that, the title Bhagavad Gita quiz by Iskcon Chennai. 3. Below that, the 20 questions with the 4 options that you have given for each of them. The correct option should not be visible to the participants on the page. And on the page at the bottom, there should be a submit button. First create this, then I will give you further instructions. So within a few seconds, ChatGPT gave this code, HTML code. We don't need to understand the code. We just need to know that this is the code which is running behind the HTML page. And when we click here on play, this is the preview. We can see how it looks. So I'm clicking on it. And this is how the quiz, the quiz looks. It's one by one. The question is first question. Oh, it's all one below the other. So first question: why did Arjuna put down his boat and sit on the chariot? He was tired. He did not want to kill. Okay, he did not want to kill his teachers. That's the thing. Then who was known as Partha in the Mahabharata? Arjuna. So like that, we can answer the questions. It gives a, in the end it says 15 out of 20, 18 out of 20, 20 out of 20, and it gives a score and the result.
Okay.
But then it gave us some few suggestions here also. After generating this thing, it said in the next version, you can make it look more professional, I said. And this is actually what ChatGPT gave me, the suggestions. I just copy pasted here. Beautiful Kurukshetra background, decorative Sanskrit style borders and motif, Iskcon Chennai logo at the top, attractive thing, one question per card with better spacing, progress indicator, how many questions has been done. And Mataji, do you want timing also? Is it like a timed quiz within 20
No,
minutes?
no, Prabhu. We don't
No.
need timing.
No timing. Okay, so that countdown timer, we will remove that option.
Yes.
So basically, he gave this thing, the output. Again, this is the code. We have to just copy the code and put it in a HTML file. I'll just show you how that is done here. But
Okay.
before that, we will see the preview. Click on the preview, play. So here, what we have is, we have one question per page with a progress bar also. And
That is nice. One question per page also is nice.
exactly. 1 second. Then what happened when we generated this? I think I gave some other instructions here also. Okay, here it started generating, and it generated and gave. And I said, give me the full code. So it gave the full code. This is apparently the full code with all the details. And I also said there needs to be a first screen where the student needs to enter his name. The same name should come in the PDF certificate in the final screen where the correct answers are given. The image of Lord Krishna and Arjuna on top did not appear in the above output. Please rectify that. Everything else remains the same. It's basically just having a conversation with your, let's say you're having a professional who's sitting in front of you and he is good in the coding, he knows what it is. You're telling him, see, this is what I need, this is what I need. And he does the coding and gives it to you. This is exactly what these systems are, the AI systems. In the first screen, the name is not appearing when I'm typing. So this error, I said everything else remains the same. So it changed and regenerated the entire code, which is like this. Then there is an error. It is going from second question directly to 20th question. See, all these things we have to correct manually. So I need all the 20 questions. Please regenerate. So it gives the full thing once again. Full code. Now it has all 20 with no skipping and all that. So I think this was the final code that it generated. So what I did was, what we have to do is, over here, when we know the code is correct, we'll just close this. We click on preview. But if we want to see the full screen, we need to copy the code. So what we need to do, Mataji, is here, this is important. Please watch here. This code has been generated by ChatGPT and it is by Grok, and it is the correct code. Now, here is the preview option. Here is the collapse. Here is to wrap the text. Here is to copy the code. So if I click on this, the code gets copied. Then I go to start. I go to run, start and run. And I open a notepad. I can open a notepad from here. Now I open this notepad and I control V. I paste the entire code which I copied. I copied from here, copy, come to start, go to notepad, and then in notepad, control V, paste off the entire code. Now, very important, while saving this, how we need to save is, click on save, file, save. And let us save it on the desktop itself for easy access. So I'm saving it on the desktop and I'm giving it a name, Iskcon Gita Quiz _1.html. This .html is very important. Otherwise, it will save as a notepad file. And below, very important, we should say all files. So basically, we give the name of the HTML file, which can be anything. Iskcon Gita quiz, you can put Gita quiz, you can give Bhagavad Gita quiz, whatever you want to give name. .html it should end in. And below, you should not say this thing, text document. You should select here all files. Now I'm saving it on the desktop. I'm clicking on save. Now what I do is I go to my desktop. And here you can see over here the latest file, Iskcon Gita quiz.html. I double click on this to open it. When I double click to open it, you can see here the first page, Bhagavad Gita quiz, enter your name to begin. So I'm just giving my name over here and I'm saying start quiz. Timer is there, that later we'll remove the timer. Why did Arjuna put down his bow on the chariot at the start of the battle? He didn't want to kill his teachers. It is okay. So this is the first question. Then once they answer this, they go to the next button, go to the next question. Who is also known as Partha? Arjuna. Next. According to chapter 2, who attains peace? One who abandons all desires and moves without ego. Okay, next question. As per chapter 2, what does anger give rise to? Delusion, loss of memory, destruction, or discrimination. Okay. Who attains immortality on earth? For whom pleasure and pain are same. Okay. Where did Arjuna ask Krishna to place the chariot? Between the two armies. The why is grief for neither the living nor dead. 8. What is real, eternal as per the Bhagavad Gita? Brahman, that which remains unchanged. Who symbolically represents the being blind to the truth? Dhritarashtra. The Bhagavad Gita is part of which Parva? Bhishma Parva. When does wisdom become steady? Withdraw senses from sense objects. What is born from unfulfilled desires? Anger. Who is man of steady wisdom? One undisturbed by pleasure and pain. Primary
All
message
are
of...
coming only second answers, Prabhu.
Oh, is it like that? Oh, I didn't notice that. Oh, yeah. It seems to be like that. I'll tell
we should ask it to make it
variable.
various,
No? That is,
various options.
yeah, we'll get this correction done and we'll remove the timer also. Next, primary message. Then Krishna taught this knowledge first to Vivasvansa. Yeah, everything is coming B only actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one thing we need to get it changed. Otherwise, students will easily, which part does Krishna go? Chapter 9 describes the Gita teaching us. Here only one A has come, the most confident.
Yeah.
Famous 1816, abandon all dharma sarana. Okay, here one A. So it needs to be more varied. And we'll just give this one more is there. How many chapters and verses are there? 18 chapters and verses. A. Okay. Now, see, this is the thing. Hare Krishna says 20 and 20, all this. Download certificate. So this, what we can do now, Mataji, is you can put this HTML file. You'll be having several computers now, Mataji, where this test is being conducted. One student with next to one computer.
Yes.
So then this same HTML file, we have to put in the desktop of all the computers. Very simple. Just paste, copy, paste.
I can copy that and send it in the group, no Prabhu. They can click on it.
You can send on the group, but what we need is how many students are taking the quiz, Mataji?
Around 20 to 23 people.
20 to 20. They are children or even adults also? Adults, okay. Then what we should do is in all those 23 systems, we can give one copy of this HTML file, the same copy, the same HTML file only. Let it be on all the desktop of all the systems. Tell them to when the time has started. Okay, now we can start this thing. Tell them to double click, put their name and just say start. And then they can select the answers and just see how we did. And in the end, when the certificate of completion comes, tell them it is like mandatory for them to save it as a PDF so that you can have a record of who scored how much and this and that. And they can also have a certificate that way. Now we have certain requirements from Grok. It gave a good code, but as we noticed, as Prabhuji had noticed.
1 second, Prabhu. So, if we are administering the quiz, will it give a list of people who took the quiz and what marks they got?
Oh, that for that, what we have to do is we have to we have to have that coded into this thing. You have the names of the people, Mataji, already?
No, when they write their names, I should get a list telling so and so Mataji attempted the quiz, she got so much marks, like that.
Oh, okay, okay. Or the certificate of completion itself can be emailed to your email address. Will that be okay?
That would be good.
So that what will happen is you will have, for example, 23 participants. When they click on save certificate and send email, for example, we'll give an option. That email will come to your, we will register in the code, that is vijayamataji@gmail.com or whatever, that we will put that this thing. So you will get 20 emails or 23 emails saying that certificate of completion, this one. From that you can take and you can make one sheet, Excel sheet, or just manually also you can write who got how much in the quiz, Mataji.
Okay, Prabhu.
So that you will get it in your email, that the like how you can see on the screen over here, X person scored 20 on 20 or 15 on 20, 19 on 20. Iskcon Chennai, date is given over there, certificate of completion. So you'll get 23 certificate of completions from the different people. We can code that also.
So we now should go through Grok now, Prabhu. First Grok.
Yes, Grok. So now Grok, this is the latest code that it gave. We have some, we have to give our questions here. We don't want these questions. We have to give our questions. So what we're going to do is, we're going to tell Grok.
Prabhu, just 1 minute.
Yes, Prabhuji.
The problem with this is that HTML file is a text file. I mean, to open the file in a text editor like Notepad, I can see the questions and answers.
No, that is what it is. It is in a notepad. Yeah, that is the thing. It is. If they open it as a notepad, then it will come like that. But if you save it as a HTML on the desktop, and then if you double click, it opens like this. But as you're saying,
no, Prabhu. Everyone is taking individually at their own. It's not happening in some center or something.
Oh, okay.
So I see HTML file. First thing I'll do is I'll open it in a notepad and then see what the answers are. Then I can easily get 100%.
Okay, then I can do one thing, Prabhu, for this. I have a Hostinger account. So this particular HTML, this thing, I will load it in my Hostinger account and share the address of that thing. It will be something like something / we can always generate a temporary address also. Let everybody go to that address in their respective system, and then they will get only the HTML. They will not get the code. We can do that, Prabhuji. We can host it on Hostinger.
Prabhu, I didn't understand what Sadanand Prabhu said.
No, Mataji, what he's saying is, now I have saved this Iskcon Gita quiz.html on the desktop. This file is there now, Mataji.
Yeah.
If I double click and open on it, it is opening like a HTML file.
Okay.
But if I right click on this and I say open with Notepad, the entire code is available for me and I can see all the questions and answers here, Mataji.
Oh, okay.
So therefore, to do what we'll have to do this, we'll have to upload this file to the cloud. And what I will do is, I have a Hostinger account anyway over here. I was just in fact doing editing of my website only. So what I will do is, I will, in the same website itself, same this thing only, over here, where I upload my other HTML files. 1 second now. I will just, one second. I'll just upload this HTML file here to the cloud. In hosting the Iskcon Gita quiz. Now, if I come to that Iskcon Gita quiz thing, and if I double click and open this, for me the code is coming, but basically the location of this file will be sanatandunia.com/p/Iskcon Gita quiz. So this is a pretty long URL. So what we'll have is nowadays we have URL shortening service for free only there. What we'll do is we will go to Google and say shorten URL free. So this long URL which we are having for this file, which is now on the hosting there, what we are doing is we're copying the entire address, sanatandunya.com/p/Iskcon Gita quiz _ If you tell people such a long thing, they may make this thing also. Of course, we'll be sending it to them, so they have to just click on it. But we can also have a short URL, custom link, password protection, set exponential. We can also have a QR code generated for this. So okay, it is fine. We can copy this. Anyway, you'll be sending the URL to them, no, Mataji, in the group.
Yes, Prabhu, in the group.
So then you can send this particular URL, which I'm suggesting. So what will happen is when they go to the WhatsApp group, if suppose I have received it from you, it's coming like this. Iskcon Gita. Or then what we can do, we can take this normal link itself, Mataji, this normal address. And we can send it like this. No, 1 second. No, it's this coming. Copy. This way, at least it's coming. Bhagavad Gita quiz Iskcon Chennai. So we can send it like this. All they have to do is click on this particular link. It takes them to the quiz.
Okay.
And then they can proceed. Here they cannot see the code unless if they have that much this thing that they can go to, click here. Then they have to go to more tools. Over here, there is one developer tools and source. Or if you right click here also, view page
But they
source.
won't do all those
If
things.
they won't do all, they may not do, especially if they're all little older people. Here you can see all the questions and answers.
Okay. Even
So-
I am old, Prabhu.
No, not like that, Mataji, but mostly they won't do like that.
Okay.
But there are some advanced ways also where you can encrypt the data and all that, but we don't need it for this thing right now, Mataji.
So, Prabhu, first I should open Grok, right?
First
I
you
want to
open
just go
Grok.
through everything. And then in what is on your mind, what should I say, Prabhu?
What we will say is now we'll do it together, Mataji. You do from your system the same thing what I'm doing here.
Yeah.
I'm coming to grok.com. I'm saying.
Yeah. It says what's on your mind. How can I help you today? It says.
You have that Word document with the questions and answers and the thing. You can just send that to my WhatsApp, Mataji. Or
I sent it to you, Prabhu, in the group.
oh, you sent. Okay. Here. So this is the one. Yeah. So.
I've also added two questions which are, short answers, not multiple choice.
Okay, we are doing test quiz 3. So basically we have saved the file. Now what we will do is in Grok, we click on this plus item to attach that HTML file, that Word file. Upload a file. Then we go to that particular folder where that file is located. For me, it is here in Iskcon AI classes.
Shall I also do that simultaneously?
Yes, Mataji. You also load that Word file. And test quiz 3.
Yeah, I have uploaded it.
So I've also uploaded here.
Yeah.
Now we're going to tell Grok, I have attached a Word file containing how many questions, Mataji? 20?
28, I think. 1 second.
28 questions. based on the Bhagavad Gita,
Chapter 4.
chapter 4, each with 4 possible answers. The correct answer
Is highlighted in red. Is
Is-
red color font.
is in the red color font. And Mataji, have you ensured that some are A, some are D, some are C, some are B, like that?
Yes.
Ah, then no problem. Then it will follow because the correct answer is the red color font. Now we'll type here, based on this, prepare a Bhagavad Gita quiz HTML document containing exactly these questions and answers, considering the correct answers in red. Make sure that, because sometimes they do such stupid mistakes, they'll say they'll redden that particular answer which is correct. So we may say, make sure that the participants of the quiz do not know the correct answer.
Okay.
Now, apart from that, we'll give the one by one. One point number 1 is one question and answers per page with 4 options. And next and previous buttons. Then it should not be timed. The participants can take their time to answer. Then on the first page should be the title Bhagavad Gita quiz chapter 4 by Iskcon Chennai, Mataji.
Yes, Prabhu.
Iskcon Chennai. Date, do you want to put date and location and all that also?
No, not required.
Not required. Then
The participant can write their names and dates.
Participants should enter their name in the text box in the first screen before starting. Then progress bar we will have, Mataji. Look little professional that
Okay.
so that progress, but no timing, so nothing to worry.
Okay.
Progress bar showing number of questions answered should be there. Then what we want is this at the end, the score out of 28 should be mentioned and the name of the participant also. Do you want percentage also, Mataji? How much percentage out of 100?
Yes, Prabhu. Good idea.
Also indicate the percentage by calculation. Right? So then that we have done, then what else we need is at the end, the students should be given the list of questions, the answers they chose, as well as
The correct answer.
the correct answers for all the 28 questions. And then there should be an option to save, isn't it? There should be an option to save certificate and send email. This should do two things. It should save a certificate with Iskcon Chennai Bhagavad Gita Chapter 4 quiz as title, the name of the participant, and the score out of 28, as well as the percentage score, can be saved as a PDF file. Then also this very same button should send this PDF certificate as an email to, what is your email address, Mataji? Can you send in the WhatsApp? I'll copy paste it.
Yeah.
Actually, if we patiently type and take half an hour for typing also, then in one shot we get within 2 minutes the correct code with all the things working correctly. So that little patience is needed. Then once it's ready, then just copy paste and create the file and upload it after that. So
Okay, Prabhu. I've sent you the email, Prabhu.
yeah, I have copied it. I'm putting it here. Any other requirement, Mataji, like you want to have a image of Krishna and Arjuna, na?
Yeah, in the background image of Krishna and Arjuna.
That should be there in the first screen as well as certificate, no, Mataji?
Yes.
Okay, so then, and we will supply that image actually better.
Okay.
The image attached along with this prompt should come on the first top of the first screen. As well as on the top of the certificate saved as PDF. And now we'll just get from the internet one Lord Krishna and Arjuna. Just any reasonable image.
That one is good, Prabhu. What
this is good, no?
Yeah, which we use. All these are Iskcon images on the left.
This one or this one, Mataji? That bluish one or this one, Mataji?
The second one is okay, Prabhu.
This is better. This is normally the more. This is the one we normally use. So we'll save
we
it.
can use that.
Prabhu,
Yes, yes, Prabhuji.
that the entire prompt, for the sake of Mataji's, you paste that entire prompt on WhatsApp.
WhatsApp, sure.
If they need it.
Correct.
In future, if they need it, they can use it.
Yes, I can copy and paste it, Prabhu.
Sure. I'll 100% send it, Mataji. Grok, this thing, I'm saying, just saying, Lord Krishna, Arjuna, image on this one.
The same thing can be used in ChatGPT also, no, Prabhu?
Yes, Mataji, I tried also, but ChatGPT, what it is, the problem is, it is not able to take so many instructions at one time. And what it is saying is, I will do it in stages. And when I'm getting it done in stages, by stage 1, stage 2, stage 4, again and again, it is making mistakes and errors. So it's very thing. Actually, better than for they say for this programming and coding and all, the better than Grok also is Claude. Claude AI is the best
Claude.
actually for
That's also
coding.
free, Prabhu. Claude.
That is also these things we can do for free, Mata. These are simple things we can do for free. Certain limits will be there. Like you can do one such HTML or 2-3 per day. Limits will be there.
Okay.
Thing. But only thing here.
And Prabhu, this whole thing, if I want to convert it into Tamil, for that
we
also
can.
Claude will help, Prabhu.
Yes. They can learn. I mean, they can understand in Tamil also. So I'll just attach these files. First, I will attach this thing, and second attachment is this. In fact, all we have to do is that the exact prompt, we'll just copy paste it and tell either ChatGPT or this we can do from any this thing AI Grok. Please convert the above prompt with instructions into Tamil. That's all. It will give it. Within 2 seconds, you will have the thing in Tamil.
The whole file.
Or any language, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Hindi, anything. So this is I think we have covered everything. Or do you have any other requirement, Mataji?
The date, the participant has to add the date.
One more question. It should not be on the first page. Should be the title I have put and date as which date, Mataji?
No, whenever the participant is appearing for it, for them to write the name and date themselves.
Oh, okay. And current date and time also you want or no?
No, Prabhu. Date
current date when the quiz is being taken. And this should that current date should also come in the certificate. You want the certificate?
Prabhu, and one more thing, their mobile number. They have to write the name, mobile number, and date. Date automatically let it take. They have to write their name and mobile number. That's all.
Where in the first screen?
First page.
Okay. 1 second. At the end, should be given correct answers. Okay. At the end should be progress bar, participants. First page should be current date. Okay. Participants should enter their name, phone number.
Yes.
Mobile number and.
That's all, Prabhu.
Oh, that's it. Name and mobile number in the text box in the first screen before starting.
Yeah.
And there should be an option to save. It should save the certificate with Iskcon, all this. And the date should also be mentioned in the certificate, Mataji.
Yes, Prabhu.
The certificate should also carry the current date of the test. Quiz. Of the quiz. Okay, I think we can give it this thing, try and see what is generated. Yes. So I've given everything, enter. Now it will think for 5 seconds, and within 20 seconds it will get output.
This AI is amazing.
It's very fascinating. But the only thing is it consumes too much water and resources, Mataji.
Oh.
In fact, all the data centers, they need to be in
Andhra Pradesh and all.
They need to be in cool surroundings with a lot of water and all. The consumption is too much for water and all. But this also, this NVIDIA is there, which is producing these GPUs and NVIDIA. They have come out with a solution wherein certain new kinds of chips they are producing, which consume much less water, about 10-20% only.
Oh.
So they're trying to look for a solution for lesser consumption of water. Otherwise, it's too much consumption of water and resources.
Okay. So, Prabhu, we should copy this HTML and paste it where, Prabhu?
Yeah, I'll explain, Mataji. This it's about to finish generating. Chat, somebody has put something. So, you forgot the magic words of that to me, chat to me. Good, there is something. Yeah, correct. No, actually, this is a fact. I have seen it personally also, my experience, and I heard it on YouTube also. They had said that whenever you're using Grok and all these Chat GPT and all, if they're not producing correct result, if you scold them and tell them in a harsh way, no, hey, why you not? Don't you understand simple thing? Why are you irritating me? And then you get irritated and put those statements. Now, it actually it betters the performance of these models. The language learning model. They become better in their efficiency and output and all that. So scolding does help. Now, let's see whether the question answers. These are the questions, Mataji. Which god is known as Vivaswan? Which
Sun
planet?
god.
Who instructed Bhagavad Gita to Ikshvaku? Yeah, so it seems
Manu.
to.
C is the answer, Manu.
C. Vivaswan, Manu. Why the second select one? Second.
No, Prabhu, the question number 3 is C, Manu. Correct
Who?
answer is 2 is given. That's wrong, Prabhu.
First, we'll check it all up, Mataji. First one. Oh, it is done like this. Zeros, A is considered as 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. That is, A is considered 0.
Okay, I
Because in
understood.
computers, they take 0 also sometimes into the consideration.
Okay.
Then it seems to be correct only. It's done as per this thing. Now, what we have to do, very simple. Over here, we have the preview also, and we have the copy. These two options are important. We'll just check the preview.
Okay.
This is the thing. First, that image has not come properly. The date has been put 6 July. Bhagavad Gita quiz chapter 4 by Iskcon Chennai.
Okay.
Full name. Okay, so
Lord
I think
Krishna and Arjuna is typed out instead of the name, instead of the picture.
they have for some reason not put the picture. I don't know what. Oh, that
Okay,
could
no
be.
problem, Prabhu. That is fine.
We will rectify that. I think that is because where is this thing? Quiz screen. They have used some online this thing, home work directory attachments and all that. This is not the location of the image in my system. So what I will do is this image, I will upload it to my hosting or this thing. Let it, we'll edit that portion separately.
Okay.
So that is not, there's a small
Prabhu, before you end this session, kindly copy your instructions and put it on the group, Prabhu.
Sure, I will. So now basically, Mataji, it's important we copy this.
Okay.
Then we come to the start button at the top left, bottom left. Start button. And we click on Notepad, or we can type over here, search for apps. We can type Notepad.
Okay.
So once we open the Notepad, we paste Control V. We have already copied. So Control V means paste. So we Control V. The entire code has come into the Notepad file.
Okay.
Now we click on File. Click on Save.
Okay.
And we come on the whichever folder we want to save it, Test Quiz 3 Grok. And I'm putting here as Gita chapter 4 underscore quiz 1.html. This is very important. Name we can give whatever convenient to our this thing, but .html. And save as all files.
All files. Okay.
It's very important. These two are very important. All files and .html.
Okay.
And whatever name of the file. And we save it in our whichever folder we're using for this purpose, we will save it in that.
Okay.
Then very simple. This portion, whenever you create your own this thing HTML file, you can send it to me. I have to just go to my this thing Hostinger. Close this, and I upload over here. File. Gita quiz 1. And along with that, I think Krishna Arjuna we had saved, isn't it? HTML. Where? What was the name of the file?
Temp MCQs.
No. L, I think Lord Krishna. HIJP. L. No, it's not here. I think I saved it here. Quiz Grok 3. Lord Krishna Arjuna image. So I'll upload this image also. So that it can, and then in the code, I will just modify the name, address of that district. Very simple.
Where should you write the image, Prabhu?
Huh?
Where should you write the image?
Right now, I'll tell Mataji. So I'm uploading this image first as a first step. So now this image has come here. So now what we have to do is copy the name of this image, Lord Krishna. So what I'll do is rename, copy this entire name of the file. I go to that Iskcon Gita quiz, this over here, Gita chapter 4 quiz one. This was the one latest. And I click on edit. When I go to edit, you see Grok has put all the things clearly. Where is the start? Quiz screen. Quiz screen, the code starts from here. This is a little technical. Image SRC, image source is equal to, so I'll delete all this and put here Lord Krishna, the name of the image. It is in the same folder only. So I don't need to put any further location and save it. Now, this particular thing I'll copy, the name of the file, HTML file, and come to sanatandunya.com/p/this.html. Why isn't the image come? 1 second now. Okay.
I think they're expecting
So, second. Gita screen, quiz screen. Here only it should be background. Okay. Lord Krishna. So, maximum height, progress bar, distance, container, mix, question.
right full path.
Start screen. Start screen. Yeah. No. Start screen over here. This is why it didn't come. Here also I have to put it. Now if I put, I think it should come correct. Now I come back to this Bhagavad Gita and just click here and say enter. Why still
Prabhu,
it's not
no.
full path,
Prabhu, you put
Prabhu.
HTML instead of JPG. No. You put HTML instead of JPG.
Oh, correct. What is that? Copy paste.
It's all way above my head what you both are talking.
No, don't worry, Mother. It's slightly technical. Lester, we are changing the address of the image, putting the correct image thing. Because the Grok is just put some random address actually. That is why the image was not coming. Now it's come, Mataji. So anyway, we just need the file. We have got the file. We just test and see.
Oh, now the image has come. It looks beautiful.
We can change you like this yellow color, Mataji, or you want some other color, bluish or something?
Anything is okay, Prabhu.
Okay, for the timing, we'll just keep it like that.
Yeah.
These things we'll see later. Start the quiz. Hey, not bad. Which god is known as Vivaswan? Okay. Which planet is the king of all planets? Sun, Dana.
Yes, Prabhu.
Who instructed the knowledge of Bhagavan to Ikshvaku? Vivaswan gave it to Ikshvaku. So Vivaswan. Mataji,
Who instructed the knowledge is Manu.
No. I gave this knowledge to the sun god Vivaswan. Vivaswan gave it to Manu, declared it to Ikshvaku. Oh, okay. Which is the right order of the Bhagavad Gita?
First one, Prabhu.
Vivaswan, Manu, Ikshvaku. Yeah. Why the science of the Bhagavad Gita appears to be lost in the present? Because all of them were not as
D answer.
Because most of them do not accept Krishna as both B and C. Yeah. Okay. Then why Krishna chose Arjuna for delivering? Because Arjuna was a devotee. Arjuna's friend. All of the above.
Yeah.
Why Arjuna inquires about the fact that Krishna instead of the knowledge of son who's senior? Because Arjuna was doubtful of Arjuna himself not aware of the fact that Krishna. I think. I think C.
No, B as in ball.
B.
Yeah.
Because Arjuna asked this for Demonic people who don't accept. Oh, okay. Then next, what answer Krishna gives in reply to is stated above. Krishna's unborn, Krishna's body, Krishna, all of the above.
Yes.
Why and when the Lord appears in the world, there's a predominance. Yeah, this is the one. Both A and B.
Yes.
How does the one attain the eternal abode? Charitable by understanding the this one, body and activities of the Lord. Isn't it, Mataji? B.
Yes. Answer is B for Bombay. Shall I tell out the answers, Prabhu? It will save
No.
the time.
No. Oh, okay, like that you're saying. Acha. Okay, tell Mataji quickly.
11 is A.
11A.
12 C. C as in cat.
Okay.
Then 13th is a
Oh,
short note. So that won't come.
top note.
14 is C. Both A
With
and B.
13, what we should do, Mataji? There's only one option here.
No, the 13, I want them to write out a small, like
Oh,
100
okay.
words. How to handle that, Prabhu?
We can do that. We can get that. Okay, that will next prompt we will this thing. Then here, Mother 14.
14 is C as in cat.
Cat. Okay, and
Then 15 is B for Bombay.
Okay.
Then 16 also, it is a short
Okay.
answer question.
Okay.
They have to write.
17.
Actually, by mistake, if you see the previous page, it has written. Please go to the previous slide, Prabhu. Previous one. It has listed out all the answers. Actually, they shouldn't appear.
Oh, okay. What should appear then? What should be the question
there
here?
should be just a blank
list
space.
the 12
They have to write.
Mahajanas.
They have to write Brahma, Manu, Shiva, the Mahajanas.
Achha, so then we should put a text box over there. Okay, got it. Now we'll get that done. Okay. Then
and
who
then
sees
17 is A.
Krishna
A
Conscious.
for apple.
Okay.
18 is C for cat.
Okay. 19. A. Okay. 20.
B for Bombay.
21.
21 is A.
22
is C. 23 is D as in Delhi.
Delhi. 24.
Then 24 is B as in Bombay.
25
is A.
Okay.
26 is D for Delhi. 27 D for Delhi. 28 C for cat.
Cat. Okay. And finish quiz. 27 and 29. Okay. Adala, okay. No problem. Review all. Sales certificate and send email. But now the thing is, my question is, if I click on review all answers, will I be able to come back to this? So let me first save certificate and send email.
Okay.
It says certificate downloaded successfully, and the PDF has also been prepared to email for this thing. This would auto attach and send via backend. So okay, say okay. Mataji, you can just check your email if you've got the my chat. And review your answers. Correct in red. Your answer, correct answer. I think this is a good format. Your answer, correct answer. So this is the thing. And back to results.
Wow. Instead, there was one mistake. Can we see that, Prabhu?
Yes. Review your answers. A, D, 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 C, C. All this is okay. D, D, C, A. What is the soul? What is the soul called as in the Patanjali system of yoga? Pratyagatma and Paragatma I have selected, but it's actually Pratyagatma alone.
Oh, okay.
A is the correct answer according to Grok. Is it correct, Mataji?
Oh, it's also checking our answers or what, Prabhu?
That is why artificial intelligence, Mataji. No, but actually, which is the correct answer, Mataji, for this 22?
According to our website, it is both that Pratyekatma and Paragatma, both together.
Oh, so then C is the correct answer. Why then it
is the correct answer.
Oh, yeah. That means, which one have you highlighted in that word file? C.
I highlighted the correct one only.
C. But still it is showing us A. So that means we should tell it one more instruction. Follow blindly all the questions and answers. Do not use your head. Yes, Mataji, we have to give that specifically, because many a time I see that it uses its own intelligence and modifies things as it is. So I mentioned, for example, in some poster, I want to get only one text, there is one line corrected. I will mention that edit correction. Then I'll say everything else remains exactly the same, and that I'll put in capitals. Otherwise, it goes on editing something else, and then suddenly that has a different output. And anyway. So, what about your email, Mataji? You got this thing? Any
No,
idea?
Prabhu, I have not got my got it on email.
You're not yet. It's not yet come to your email.
No, Prabhu.
Oh. Vasun V Surendra at yahoo.co.in.
Yes.
Okay. Auto attach and send via backend service. Did you check your spam, Mataji?
I checked the spam first, Prabhu. It's not there.
Okay. I will figure that out, Mataji, how to do that.
Okay, no problem, Prabhu. So far, it is really great, Prabhu.
Most of the things are coming correctly. What we need to do is that wherever that question is the open answer where they have to type, we have to tell it that is an open this number, question number this and question number this. Please do not print the 4 answers. Just give a text box for the person to type whatever he wants. So that is one thing.
And Prabhu, the other thing is here both the answers are in red. So can I make their answer in green?
Yeah, I'll tell your answer should be in blue and correct answer in red.
And the correct answer is green.
Correct answer is? Oh, correct answer is green. You want
green, Prabhu. Their answer is red.
Oh, okay. So then your answer in red and correct answer in green. Yeah. We'll have that font. And for this, you want like this yellow, this thing, or you want bluish? That is the theme of this thing quiz. That is, that
we can have anything, Prabhu.
Anything that is not so important, no? Okay. Right. I'll tell it to use some gradient or something, blue gradient or something.
Yeah.
So the important things are those 3-4 things. What I will do, Mataji, I will do a video recording, screen recording along with my voiceover. So you can see also how I'm doing. And that video will explain to you what all changes I'm making to this particular thing via Grok.
So I will know how to do that text also. There are 2
yes. I will be doing it. I will be putting that instruction, such and such what instruction I'm putting. It will be a proper video. My entire what all I'm doing on the screen will be available to you along with my voice also.
What you wrote down first time, Prabhu, that also I need a copy, Prabhu.
What thing? You mean the previous
instruction? Yeah, one long instruction you gave.
That prompt. The prompt.
Yeah.
Thing. I will give you the full prompt.
Yeah.
And I will give you the full prompt, plus I will give you the video of how the further changes that I'm making.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Prabhu. This is really amazing. Thank you so much for all your time, your efforts,
most welcome.
your patience.
I wish we could have from 5:30 to 7 so that we can have half an hour more time, because 1 hour it is just very action packed and very tight actually.
Yeah, Hema Mataji's class is 7 to 7:30.
Yeah. That is more important, Mataji. We'll wind up now.
Thank you so much.
Most welcome, Mataji. Okay, thank you, Prabhuji, for joining in.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.